Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper without breaking anything on Chevy Tahoe, Suburban and GMC Yukon. First, open the hood and then remove plastic riveting clips. If you intend to reuse the plastic rivets, it's best to use a riveting tool, such as this one right here. Pry out the center pin first, and then the entire rivet is going to come right out. After that, we're going to take out the front plastic cover. Next, take out 6 of these 10mm bolts. Now let's get underneath the truck. There's going to be 2 10mm bolts in the center section of the bumper and 2 more of the same bolts on each side of the bumper. Take out those plastic rivets as well. And final 2 10mm bolts, 1 on each side. Next, moving on to the wheel wells. We're going to need to take out 6 of these 7mm screws. Next, underneath this section, we're going to need to remove 3 more 7mm screws holding the bumper support bracket. You see, a lot of people like to skip this step, but doing so will allow you to detach the bumper without causing any damage. I'm just going to jump ahead over here to show you the bumper support bracket that I was talking about. If you don't remove it first, you're most likely going to end up damaging it, or you're going to end up ripping off these attachment holes on the bumper. Next, we're going to detach these plastic hooks on the top of the front grille. Carefully pull them up and away from the vehicle. That's going to allow us to get to these 2 support brackets that we're going to need to release. Pull up that black plastic tab and then push the bracket underneath it. And now the entire front bumper assembly should easily come right off. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thank you and have a nice day.